Honorable Minister KTR Garu, Ajay Garu, Indrakaran Garu, Principal Secretaries Jayesh Ranjan Garu and Sunil Sharma ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity. Although I have to say it's very tough to speak immediately after KTR Garu and hold the spell of the audience. I'll try to do my best and also keep it short. We are actually promoting a company called Watts and Volts, which is an important stakeholder, we believe, in the shared mobility space, because we are going to be doing the first mile and last mile connectivity that enables people to use not only electric vehicles, but also use public transportation, such as metros and buses. So this enables people to avoid getting crammed into shared autos, especially in view of the current pandemic that we are going through. There is a lot of reluctance to use public transportation because of the fear of getting crammed into shared autos for the first mile and last mile. So we are going 100% electric. We are starting with micro-mobility with e-bikes, e-mopeds and e-scooties. And we want to keep it as a simple pay and use system that would be available at all the major areas of the city and with a planned expansion for the rest of the country. It is based in Hyderabad, yes. Of course, it's based in Hyderabad. I also want to thank you, sir, and also commend the state of Telangana for always being pioneers in the areas, not in just in IT and pharma, but also now coming up with these policies on electric vehicles. We also plan to expand soon into Mumbai and Goa, sir, and then cover the other major metros in the in the country. Our partners, majorly Mr. Kedar and Vamsi, we all come from different backgrounds, but we are bound by the IT mantra, and we wanted to start a business that has not just a technology challenge, but also an exponential social impact, which we believe, I think this is exactly the right business, and I couldn't have found a better place to announce the launch of the company. Apart from the three of us, while we were actually looking for other promoters, we are also very lucky to find two celebrity promoters who actually share our vision in terms of what we are trying to do, social impact and the impact with respect to promoting EVs, with respect to promoting public transportation. One of them is right here, Mr. Vijay Devarakonda, the youth icon and pan-India star. The other gentleman who couldn't join us is Mr. Sunil Shetty. He wanted to join remotely, but he's in a hill station where there is a poor Wi-Fi connection, so he excused himself today. So we are very proud that we'll be launching in early 2021 with Hyderabad as our first base, and then expanding further into Mumbai, Goa, and then other cities. I would like to invite Mr. Vijay Devarakonda to say a few words here about the business and the reason why he sees it as important. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Too many respected leaders of the industry and policymakers here. I cannot wish you all by name, but my regards to all of you present here and present online. I'm from this city, so what's happening here, I love it. While growing up as a kid, I've always had this opinion that we as a country somehow worked in hindsight. I thought that we always waited for a problem to happen, let it get really serious till it became a deal breaker and then try and find solutions. But over the last 5-6 years, what I've been seeing governments working with foresight. This state has become like a state of dreams. Like be it having 24/7 power supply, like my village, my district, we have water which for farming, and people are getting 2 crops a year. There's more money to spend. The land rates have gone up. All this is like magical to us. We haven't seen it in life. Be it T-Hub, be it iPass. Like these are like some of few of the 100 things that I am aware of. And now this Telangana e-vehicle summit, this is like foresight, and I love what is happening. And as you can see, a lot of it has happened under our current Chief Minister KCR Garu's administration, and KTR Anna, congratulations for what all is happening. I've always said we are in good hands. Other than when we have these like extraordinary crippling circumstances like the pandemic or these rains, but I'm sure we'll be well prepared. And as you see, I believe e-vehicles are the future. I'm no expert in this field, but I believe they are the future, and as you can see, I'm betting on it. So watts and volts, early Jan next year, we'll bring a beautiful product, and we hope to add to the clean, better lifestyles of Hyderabad. We hope to add to how beautiful our city is and improve our lifestyles. That's it. Thank you.